At the beginning of the project, we conduct on-site inspections to gain a deep understanding of our clients' needs. By communicating with the operators, we integrate the transportation needs between resort towers A, B, and C. Clarifying the workflow between the kitchens, we focus on the interrelationships between different buildings, analyzing the flow of materials and meals between the kitchens to improve overall operational efficiency. Based on these surveys and analyses, we provide customized solutions to meet the meal service requirements of the main kitchen. Our solutions have been successfully implemented in numerous of hotels and resorts, helping them achieve efficient and high-quality kitchen operations. If you are looking for professional kitchen design services, feel free to contact us. INEO, your expert in kitchen design.